Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss a different topic, that is sedative and hypnotic drugs. What is the sedative and hypnotic drugs? We should know about the sedative and hypnotic drugs. These drugs are the central nervous system suppressant drugs. So come to the first point is sedative. What is the sedative drug? Sedative are the central nervous system depressant drugs that reduce the tension, excitement and produce relaxation. Okay, and hypnotic drugs. What is the hypnotic? Hypnotics are the drugs that depress the CNS and produce sleep similar to the natural sleep. Okay, both sedative and hypnotic action may be reside in the same drug. Okay, same drug is used for the sedative and hypnotic drugs, sedative and hypnotic situations. At the lower dose, at the lower dose the drug may act as sedative, while at the higher dose the same drug may act as a hypnotic. Understand? And now sedative and hypnotic drugs are frequently used in the pre-anesthetic medication and as a adjuvant adjunctive therapy in the psychiatry. A large number of sedative and hypnotic drugs cross the placental barrier. Consequently, their chronic use during pregnancy may be cause withdrawal effect in the newborn infant. And next, many of these substances are excreted into the breast milk and hence their chronic use during breastfeeding may cause sedative to the infants. Sedative and hypnotic are also used the following. So according to this reason, we know about that for infants it is very harmful, or for the pregnant lady it is very harmful drug. So the sedative and hypnotic drug have also some different uses like anti-anxiety drug, anticonvulsants, as a muscle relaxant, general anesthetic, pre-anesthetic medication, antipsychotic to penetrate analgesic drug, co-drugs in the treatment of some hypertensions. So now come to the topic classification. Classification of the sedative and hypnotic drug. The sedative and hypnotic drugs are classified on the basis of their chemical structure as follows. Number 1, barbiturate, benzodiazepines, a cyclic hypnotic containing nitrogen. Number 4 is cyclic hypnotic containing nitrogen. Number 5 is alcohol and aldehyde. Number 6th class is acetylene derivative, and number 7th is miscellaneous. According to the miscellaneous drugs, different type of drugs are included into that point. Number 1 is inorganic salt like acid and esters, like antihistaminics and anticholinergic drugs and sulfones. And next is plant extracts, endogenous substances, other opioids like morphine, pethidine, and neuroleptic drugs which are included into the miscellaneous drugs of the sedative and hypnotics like chlorpromazine, triflupromazine, and number 8 is newer agents. Because of according to the newer agents, different type of drugs are discovered according to their patients or situations. So now come to the first point is barbiturate. This is the structure or chemical structure of barbiturates. Barbiturates are further classified on the basis of during of their action. According to their action of barbiturates are also divided into some different type of barbiturate drug. So number 1 is long acting barbiturates. These drugs which having the long time treatment like 6 hours or more than 6 hours having the effect on the patient. For example, barbitol, phenobarbital, mifebarbital and methobarbital. These are the substituents which are, if in case we have R at the R1 position include the H, and at the R5 position ethyl group, and R5 dash position ethyl to make a barbitol drug. Okay, these are the substituents which are added to that point of R position to make a different type of synthetic drugs. Okay, and next is intermediate acting barbiturate. This is the second type of barbiturates which their action having the 3 to 6 hours. For example, amobarbitol, butabarbitol, aprobarbitol, talbutol, butolbitol and hexobarbitol. Amobarbitol drug, this is the substituents which acting onto the main structure and make a different type of intermediate acting barbiturate drug. Next drug is short acting barbiturate. For example, and their timing is less than 3 hours. Okay, for example, phenobarbital, secobarbital, cyclobarbitol and hepatobarbital. Whenever we join that type of substituent or that position, it makes the phenobarbital or different type of barbiturate drug. And next one is ultra shorting barbiturate. Ultra shorting barbiturates are having the 15 minutes action on the patient, and for example the thiophanitoin. Okay, and next type of drug is benzodiazepine. Second class of the sedative and hypnotic drug, that is benzodiazepine, and this is the main structure of the benzodiazepine diazepine drugs. When at the R1, R2, R3 or R2 dash positions, whenever we have substitute a different type of substituent, they make a different type of drugs. For example, diazepam, oxypam, chlorodiazepoxide, different type of drug. For example, these type of drugs. Okay, halozepam, temazepam, lorazepam, etc. These type of drugs which are making by the substitution of different type of substituent at that positions. Like for example, diazepam, whenever we at the R1 position we add the methyl group, and R2 position at that here oxygen, and R3 at the R3 hydrogen, R7 is chloride and R2 position is hydrogen. ठीक है, it makes the diazepam drug. And next point is alicyclic hypnotic, which containing the nitrogen acyclic. We have also known as alicyclic uridize. Okay, acyclic hypnotic drugs are also known as the acyclic uridize. Acyclic urides are further classified as urethane, urides, carbamates and amides. These are the different type of drugs which are come to into the acyclic hypnotics. Okay, and these are the examples of these drugs which comes under the different type of categories of the drug. Next point is fourth class is cyclic hypnotic containing the nitrogen. These are the acyclic and this one is the cyclic drug. Cyclic hypnotic drugs which containing the nitrogen are classified into the two categories. Number one is piperidine and number two is quinazolinones. Okay, and different type of example of drugs which come under into the piperidines like hydropyrrolone, methylpyrrolone, glutathione. This is the structure of this drug. ethipicon. And next category is quinazolinons. These drugs like methaquinones, macloquinolones, and ethanazole. This is the structure of the ethanazone. This comes under into the quinazolinones drug. And next category is alcohol and aldehydes. These different type of drugs like amyl hydrate, chlorobutanol, chloral hydrate, methyl phenetol are the drugs which comes under into the alcohol and aldehyde categories. And next category is ethylene derivatives, acetylene derivatives. These type of drugs like hexapropimate, carfimate are come under the acetylene derivatives. And next category is miscellaneous. Different type of and many type of drugs come into the miscellaneous drugs like inorganic salt, acid and esters. These are the drugs which comes under into the different type of categories. This is the example of the drugs which comes under into the miscellaneous type of drugs. Okay, and last one is newer agents. These are the new drugs which are formed into the newer agents like Zalopiclone, Zopiclone, Zolpidem. This is the last drug. Okay, like this is called the newer agent, and this is the example of structure of Zalopiclone drug which comes into the newer agent which act as a CNS suppressant drug. Okay, this is the most important and useful classification and introduction of sedative and hypnotic drugs. Okay, I hope you have to understand of the introduction and classification of different type of sedative and hypnotic drugs. Thank you.